To add a custom indicator on TradingView, start by opening the platform and navigating to the chart where you want to add the indicator. Click on the Pine Editor button, which is located at the bottom of the screen. This will open the Pine Editor, where you can create and edit custom indicators. In the Pine Editor, you can choose from a variety of pre-built indicators or create your own from scratch. If you want to create a custom indicator, click on the New button and select Indicator. Give your indicator a name and description, and then start writing the code for your indicator. The Pine programming language is used to create custom indicators on TradingView. It is a simple and intuitive language that allows you to define the calculations and logic for your indicator. You can use a variety of functions and variables to create complex indicators, including moving averages, relative strength index, and Bollinger Bands. Once you have written the code for your indicator, click on the Add to Chart button to add it to your chart. You can then adjust the settings for your indicator, such as the colors and line styles, to customize its appearance. To use a pre-built indicator, click on the Indicators button at the top of the screen and select from the list of available indicators. You can then adjust the settings for the indicator to suit your needs. Best practices for creating custom indicators on TradingView include keeping your code simple and well organized, using clear and descriptive variable names, and testing your indicator thoroughly before using it in live trading. You should also be careful when using custom indicators, as they can be subject to errors and biases. By following these steps and best practices, you can create and use custom indicators on TradingView to improve your trading performance and make more informed investment decisions. Custom indicators can provide valuable insights and help you to identify trends and patterns in the markets, giving you a competitive edge over other traders.